I am so pleased with my artificial flowers here on my front porch. This was so easy to put together, less than 10 minutes, and I had the 2 flowered pots put together. The artificial evergreens have been there for a while. I may switch those out for something more summer, but I'm very, very happy with these summer plants here. So I have 3 sets of these little yellow flowers here, these vine-like things here. Each set comes with 2 of these bunches, and I put 3 in each pot. I put 1 on each side and then 1 here in the front so that it would kind of drape. The back is hidden, so I didn't put 1 in the back. And again, the same thing there. I have 1 in the front and 1 on each side. So I bought 3 packs of 2 and put 3 of the bunches in each pot. And then this here is a combination of the yellow and the white. And then I bought an individual pack of just solid white. But honestly, I have these left over, which is probably a full pack of the white. So I think a single pack of the yellow and white is all that I needed for each pot. And they're so easy to put together. They come like this here. And then I just kind of, I almost shook them some, was honestly what I did. And I just kind of fluffed them up a little bit. And then I just shoved them down in there. I have 2 of those in each pot. And I just kind of started shoving. They're sitting side by side in there. I just started shoving. I put the 3 bunches of the vine type, the yellow ones, in first. And then I just started filling in the middle with the yellow and white. And it was so easy. I would just fluff them and shove them in there. No rhyme or reason. Probably see that there's a little more white to the right and a little less. And honestly, I'll just want more white on that side. Just shove 1 down in there. So easy. And I think they look great. Artificial, no watering needed. The pots are all Veradek pots. Very sturdy, very secure. I actually have Veradek pots down here as well. Those up there are the 16-inch round Veradeks and the 24-inch taller Veradeks. This one here is the 12-inch Veradek pots. I really love the look of those. Sorry for all the Amazon boxes and the tile saw. We're doing work around here. But I am so thrilled with those artificial flowers. Would absolutely 100% recommend. The vine-like ones took no fluffing whatsoever. Really just a little bit to pull them out of the box and open them up a little. And then very little fluffing on the yellow and white ones in the middle. And beautiful. Highly recommend. Hope this helps. Hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching.